Well, my wife was making fun of me for being a nerd tonight, but I got my prototype project done. I turned a simple 555 timer oscillating circuit into a tone generator, and it uses basically a 10K resistor, which normally you would place here. What I did was I hooked it up to a 10K potentiometer, which is basically a way to just vary the resistance. And instead, I hooked it up to 100K potentiometer and changed the capacitor over here. So I had a nice variety of tone just by sliding this around. So what I did then was I took 4 different resistors that add up to about 100. I took like a 20, a 30, a 44, etc. And what I did was I hooked up each switch to a common ground, to a common source. You can see they're all hooked up to spring number 43, but I varied the resistance. So, as I go through and press them, let me just turn the volume up a little bit. Now the circuit will complete with a different resistance each time. The cool thing about this is that you can add resistance to So, this is not something I did on the Arduino. This is just simple components from Radio Shack on this Radio Shack Electronic Learning Lab kit that we've had around here for years. So I could build this with standard off-the-shelf components and not have to use a microcontroller, which is pretty cool. And there's a speaker there. So that was my project for tonight. Why am I doing this? Because I'd like to make an electronic toy that makes noise, and you'll see why later.